Very good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the session. So we are going to cover top 80 MCQs from 1st to 10th of August here. First question in front of you. What is the answer? What is the maximum permissible period for redressal of pension related grievances under the CPEN grams? Very good. The correct answer will be 60 days. How much is it? 60 days. Option C, 60 days will be right answer. Next. What is total outlay approved by Union Cabinet for ongoing Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana? Total outlay of Kisan Sampada Yojana. Very good. 6,520 crore rupees. Option E. How many multi-product food irradiation units will be supported under integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure component of Pradhan Mantri किसान संपदा योजना? कितने हैं? मल्टी प्रोडक्ट फूड इरेडिएशन यूनिट्स आपकी 50 हैं, ठीक है, 50. लैब्स जो हैं, लैब्स 100 हैं. 50 विल बी राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन सी. Then, under food safety and quality assurance infrastructure component of the same scheme, how many NABL accredited food testing labs are to be set up? Food testing labs are 100. Yes, option A. Food testing labs will be 100. What is total outlay approved by the cabinet for central sector scheme granting aid to National Cooperative Development Corporation? इसके लिए टोटल आउटले कितना है? 2000 करोड़. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. 2000 करोड़. What is GDP growth projection for India for financial year 25-26 as revised by Fitch ratings recently? फिच ने कितना रिवाइज किया था? 6.3 था. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. ऑप्शन डी 6.3. What is total outlay approved for income tax department's PEN 2.0 project? PEN 2.0 का outlay कितना है? Financial outlay. PEN 2.0, the outlay is absolutely correct. 1435 crores. Option C, 1435 crores. Under the Tarun Plus category of Mudra scheme, Mudra Yojana, what is maximum collateral free loan amount that can be availed by borrowers? 20 lakh. Absolutely right. Option E, 20 lakh rupees. From which date has EPFO made Aadhaar based face authentication mandatory for generating and activating the universal account number? Which date? It is 1st August 2025 itself. Well done. Option B. Yes, 1st of August 2025. As per Goldman Sachs revisited or revised forecast, what is India's expected real GDP growth rate for 2025? Goldman Sachs के हिसाब से कितना है? Yes, 6.5. Very good. Option C is correct. Which portal was launched by Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation in collaboration with the State Bank of India for implementing revised fund flow procedures under MP-LADS scheme? E-Sakshi. Definitely. Option D would be right. E-Sakshi portal. How many cooperatives have collaborated to launch the app-based Bharat Taxi services under multi-state Sehkari Taxi Cooperative Limited. How many of them have collaborated for this? Absolutely correct. Option A, 8. 8 of them have collaborated. Where is India's first Center of Excellence for Private Equity and Venture Capital inaugurated? बहुत बढ़िया. IIM Bangalore, the Tony James Center. IIM Bangalore. Option B will be correct answer. Which state has recorded highest number of rooftop solar installations under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? It is Maharashtra. Option C. Maharashtra has installed maximum. So Maharashtra will be correct answer for this. Okay. Maharashtra leads it, followed by Gujarat and UP. So Gujarat and UP are following Maharashtra in this. PM Electric Drive Revolution in Innovative Vehicle Enhancement, PM E-Drive scheme, originally approved for 2 years, has now been extended till which date? कब तक के लिए extend कर दिया गया है? Very good. It has been extended up to 31st March 2028. Option B. What is total expenditure approved by the Union Cabinet for providing LPG subsidy under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? 12,000 crores. Absolutely correct. 12,000 crores. Option C. How much compensation has the Union Cabinet approved for public sector undertaking oil marketing companies to cover LPG sale loss? $30,000 crores. बहुत बढ़िया. 30,000 crores. In merit scheme approved by the cabinet recently, what does letter M stands for? Merit scheme में M stands for multidisciplinary. Very good. Multidisciplinary. Multidisciplinary education and research improvement in technical education. As per Department of Public Enterprises, what percentage of annual capex target did CPSEs achieve during April-June, the first quarter of financial year 26? 28%. बहुत बढ़िया. 28%. Option D will be correct answer. According to WTO, what is projected global merchandise trade growth for 2025? Projected कितना है? 0.9. Yes, 0.9%. According to Federation of Indian Export Organization, which state has been at the top in terms of exports? The top exporter of India. Now this is Gujarat. Top exporter from India is Gujarat. Option E is your right answer. According to Goldman Sachs revised outlook, अच्छा ये शायद हो चुका है, दोबारा आ गया है. Anyways, 6.5 है, 6.5 है, right? As of July 2025, how many pregnant women have been registered as beneficiaries under Mission Poshan 2.0? Mission Poshan 2.0. How many? 72.22 lakhs. Absolutely correct. Option A. 72.22 lakh women. As per SEBI's proposal, what will be the revised institutional allocation in IPOs exceeding 5,000 crores? 60%. 60% होगा, 55 नहीं है, ठीक है? 60%. Option D is correct option. 60%. What is revised minimum IPO dilution requirement SEBI is considering for companies valued above 1 trillion rupees? 2.5, absolutely correct. 2.5, option B. Yes, 2.5 is correct answer. Earlier it was 5%. In SEBI's proposal, what portion of anchor book will be reserved for insurers and pension funds? 7%. Option A. 7% is correct, definitely. Then, as per SEBI's proposal, what is the maximum percentage of total offer size that strategic investors can invest in REITs and InvITs? 25%. 25%. Then, as per SEBI's new proposal, who can act as independent reviewer for green debt securities subject to conditions of independence and conflict mitigation? Yes, SEBI registered ESG rating providers. Option B. Very well done. Next one. Under SEBI's current framework, shareholder approval is required if a listed company's related party transaction exceeds which limit? बहुत बढ़िया. 1000 crore rupees or 10% of turnover, whichever is lower. Option C is correct. Under SEBI's proposed turnover-based framework, what is maximum absolute ceiling prescribed for RPTs in listed entities with turnover above 40,000 crores of rupees? 5,000. Very good. 5,000 crores. Option E. 5,000 is correct answer. How long will omnibus approvals for related party transactions remain valid under SEBI's proposed framework? For 15 months. Yes, 15 months is correct answer here. 15 months or next AGM, whichever is earlier. Very good. Then MPC meeting mein, which was held in August 2025, it decided repo rate at what level? What was repo decided in the latest MPC? 5.5. Absolutely correct. Option B, 5.5%. Recently, RBI announced these consumer-centric measures related to re-KYC. Which of the following was not one of them? Re-KYC से related नहीं है. Which one is not related to it? Yes, waiver of minimum balance is not related to it, right? Waiver of minimum balance requirement in all saving account, not related to them. In RBI's statement on development and regulatory policies, what change was announced regarding settlement of claims for deceased customer deposit accounts? जो deceased हैं उनके customer deposit accounts के लिए. Very good. Standardization of procedures and documentation across banks. What new feature has been introduced in RBI Retail Direct Portal to help retail investors in T-bills? Yes, auto bidding facility for investment and reinvestment in T-bills. Auto bidding facility. Very well done. Option B is correct. According to RBI's internal working group, which rate will continue as the operating target of monetary policy? Operating target of monetary policy. You all know this very well. Absolutely correct. WACR, weighted average of call rate. What recent step has RBI taken regarding special rupee Vostro account to promote rupee-based global trade? Removed the requirement of RBI approval for opening special rupee Vostro accounts. Yes. Removed the requirement of RBI approval for opening the special rupee Vostro account. Option D is correct. Next one. SEBI is considering replacing current weekly expiry cycle in FNO derivatives with which of the following expiry tenures? बताइए. Tell me, what is the answer? So it is planning bi-monthly, right? Bi-monthly. Option B will be correct. Bi-monthly or monthly expiries. By what percentage has the government cut subsidy allocation for financial year 26 towards UPI, P2M and RuPay debit card transactions compared to financial year 2025? हाँ, ये हमने कवर किया था, आई थिंक टॉप 5 MCQs में भी किया था. So they have cut it down by 78%, right? 78%. Very good. Option D. 78%. Then, from which date will RBI's revised co-lending norms requiring 10% loan retention and up to 5% default loss guarantee come into effect? कब से ये implement होने वाला है? Very good. January 1, 2026. Option E. Yes, January 1, 2026. What will be the constitution of new body formed by governing board of a market infrastructure institution to handle review or waiver request when the action was taken by member committee itself? Yes, public interest directors or independent external professionals not part of the member committee. Very good. Option D is correct. As per Ministry of State, how many centers of financial literacy have been set up across India under RBI's initiative to promote rural financial literacy? बताइए. बहुत बढ़िया. The correct answer will be 2421. Option C. 2421. Then, in its first ever green ammonia auction under National Green Hydrogen Mission's SITE scheme, what record low price did the Solar Energy Corporation of India discover? बताइए क्या आंसर है इसका? एवरीवन, 55.75. Option A. Yes. A is correct. 55.75 per kg. Then as per SEBI's new proposal, graduates from which academic background will now be eligible to apply for registration as investment advisors and research analysts? Yes, from any discipline. From any discipline, including engineering and law. Option D is correct, any discipline. Then 45. Under SEBI's new proposal, investment advisors may provide second opinion on pre-distributed asset. But what is the maximum fee allowed for this service which they can charge? Maximum fees. Maximum fees is 2.5% of the asset value per annum. Yes, option C is correct, 2.5%. Next, according to SEBI's proposal on restructuring registrars and transfer agents, what is the uniform net worth requirement suggested for all RTAs? How much is it? Okay, 50. बताइए क्या आंसर है एवरीवन? 50. Option D, 50 lakh will be right answer. As per RBI's new directive, what is minimum threshold limit up to which claims in survivor or nominee accounts can be settled without insisting on legal documents? Very good. Well done, everyone. How much? 15 lakh. Absolutely correct. 15 lakh. According to RBI's guideline on settlement of claims in survivor account, what is the proposed time limit for banks to settle such claims before compensation for delay becomes payable? It is 15 days, okay, not 7 days, 15 days. Option C will be correct. 15 days याद रखना है आपको. According to RBI's directive on settlement of survivor nominee claims, what compensation must banks pay in case of delays attributable to them? Yes. Okay. So bank rate plus 4% per annum. Option A is correct. Bank rate plus 4% they have to pay. Then, according to SEBI's directive, what is method prescribed for conducting annual inspection of stockbrokers and depository participants? Annual inspection के लिए हेलो हाय बाद में कर लेना. शिवम, चेतन, भाईचारा ऑन टॉप, ये सब बाद में करना, पहले आंसर्स बताओ. कितना है, क्या है मतलब? वेरी गुड. थ्रू joint inspection by all relevant market infrastructure institutions. ऑप्शन बी. ठीक है. B will be correct. From which date will RBI's revised regulation on partial credit enhancement for bonds, allowing banks, cooperative banks, NBFCs, development financial institutions to provide PCE up to 50% come into effect? कब से आ रहा है? Not B, it is E. 1st April 2026. ठीक है, 1st April 2026. According to RBI survey, what is the projected growth rate of India's merchandise imports in financial year 26? Merchandise imports. You're saying C, but it is not C, it is 2.5%, B. Okay, 2.5%, B will be correct answer. Then as per the RBI survey, what is expected headline CPI based inflation for 26-27 time frame? It is 4.4. Option D will be correct here. 4.4%. ठीक है, 4.4% in financial year 27. तो 26-27 के लिए पूछा था, 4.4 है. Remember that. What is the projected growth rate of gross fixed capital formation in financial year 26 according to RBI survey? ये बताइए, इसका आंसर क्या है? E, no, not E, it is 6.8%. Okay, it is C, 6.8%. 6.8%. From which date will India fully adopt the International Financial Reporting Standards IFRS 17, prompting insurers to seek an extension for public listing plans? Yes, the right answer is first April 2026. Very good. Option E is correct. 1st April 2026. Then, which of the following flexibilities or exemptions are proposed by SEBI for accredited investor only AIF schemes? Yes, no requirement of pari passu rights, exemption from NISM certification, and no 1000 investor cap, extended tenure flexibility, and trustee responsibilities transferred to managers. Option A is absolutely correct. What is the full form of SEBI's proposed single window gateway स्वागत FI? स्वागत FI का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Very good. Single window automatic and generalized access for trusted foreign investors. बहुत बढ़िया. Option C is correct one. Then according to SEBI's proposal, what percentage of FPI assets under custody is currently contributed by trusted investor groups targeted under Swagat FI. इसका कितना है आंसर? बताइए. Okay, very good. So here the right answer would be 70%. 70%, option D. Under the Swagat FI proposal, which restriction will be removed for eligible funds, particularly benefiting mutual funds with diversified retail base? The right answer will be restrictions on aggregate contributions from NRIs, OCIs and resident Indians. Yes, option E is correct answer. Well done. Then, under SEBI's proposal, what is revised minimum investment threshold for large value funds under AIF framework down from current 70 crore rupees? बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत जल्दी इसका आंसर आया है. Everyone going with 25. ठीक है, 25 करोड़. ऑप्शन डी, 25 करोड़ इज करेक्ट वन. डी आपका सही आंसर है. देन एज ऑफ June 30, large value funds have made investments worth how much out of their total commitments as per the data? Yes, it is 60,000 crores. Option B, 60,000 crores. Then the NCDX has recently received SEBI's in principle approval for diversification. Under this approval, which new segment is NCDX allowed to enter while also being directed to continue strengthening in the commodity derivatives? Yes, very good, well done. Equity and equity derivatives, right? Equity and equity derivatives. Option B is correct. From August 1, what is maximum number of balance checks allowed per app per day under the revised UPI rule? Very well done. It is maximum 50. Option C is correct, 50. Under phase 2 of RBI's liquidity reforms, what are the revised trading hours for market repo and tri-party repo? Yes, tell me. Very good. 9 AM to 4 PM. Option E, 9 AM to 4 PM. Which fund house recently received SEBI's approval to launch India's first specialized investment fund? किसको मिली है ये परमिशन? Quant. Yes, Quant Mutual Fund. Option C is correct. Quant Mutual Fund. Then which bank has launched digital foreign exchange platform Bob Fax 1 designed for corporate and MSME clients? आपको नाम से ही पता लग रहा होगा कौन सा होगा, उसमें इसका नाम है ही ऑलरेडी. It is BOB, of course, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Which bank has launched Remit First to India, a fully digital platform developed in partnership with SingX to enable NRIs to make seamless, secure and zero-fee money transfers to India? Yes, here the right answer will be IDFC First Bank. Very good. IDFC First Bank. The International Finance Corporation has committed how much as anchor equity investment in HDFC's H-Dream Fund to promote green and affordable housing in India? $150 million. ऑप्शन डी। डी यहां पर आपका सही होगा, $150 million, ठीक है, डी। Then, which institution has recently entered the bond forward rate agreement through deals with 10 major banks to boost demand for long-term government securities? किसने अभी रिसेंटली बॉन्ड FRA साइन किए थे 10 मेजर बैंक्स के साथ? यस, बहुत बार हम इसको डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, LIC, ऑप्शन बी। Which bank has introduced nationwide Aadhaar-based face authentication for customer transactions developed under UIDAI to enhance secure and inclusive digital banking? Yes, बहुत बढ़िया, ऑप्शन ए is absolutely correct, India Post Payment Bank. What is India's global rank in fish production, as recently stated by Union Minister of Fisheries? Fish production में the rank is second. Very good. Option B is correct. Second rank. What is maximum financial support provided to poor patients for organ transplantation under Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi? Yes, so here the right answer will be option D, 15 lakh. 15 lakh. Which of the following IITs is not recognized as Center of Excellence under National Critical Mineral Mission? इसमें से कौन सी नहीं है Center of Excellence under the NCMM? IIT बॉम्बे है, हैदराबाद है, धनबाद है, रुड़की है, but under this mission IIT Delhi is not there, right? Option E will be your answer. IIT Delhi is not there under this mission. Which country recently has been certified by WHO as having eliminated human African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness, as a public health challenge? किसने eliminate किया है recently इसको as a public health challenge? Yes, everyone, tell me. It is Kenya. Absolutely correct. Option C, Kenya. Which institute has launched India's first AI-powered learning application, Tutors, for students preparing for competitive examinations? किसने लॉन्च किया है? Very good, well done. Yes, absolutely. So here the right answer is IIT Palakkad, option D. The ICMR has launched Which nationwide program to introduce the students to health and biomedical research with next generation of health scientists? कौन सा प्रोग्राम था न्यूज़ में? नहीं, स्पार्क नहीं है, इट इज़ शाइन सही है, स्पार्क नहीं है. द प्रोग्राम इज शाइन प्रोग्राम. ऑप्शन ई, शाइन is correct. Science and health innovation for next gen explorers. Shine is correct. The Defence Acquisition Council has sanctioned defence procurement proposals worth how much recently to strengthen India's military capabilities? Yes, how much? Yes, so the right answer here would be 67,000 crores. Option D is correct. Very good. 67,000 crores. Then, according to Knight Frank report, a billion square feet and counting, India office supply growth story. What is India's global rank in office stock as of June 2025? ये क्वेश्चंस इजी लग रहे हैं आपको? एवरीवन टेल मी, आज की जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इजी लग रहे हैं या हार्ड लग रहे हैं? फोर्थ इज करेक्ट. फोर्थ इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन ए. आज तो काफ़ी फैक्चुअल हैं क्वेश्चंस. दे आर वेरी ट्रिकी टुडे, नॉट सो मच इजी टू अटेम्प्ट. ओनली इफ यू हैव रिवाइज यू कैन आंसर दीज. Next one. According to 2025 Global AI City Index released by Counterpoint Research, which Indian city ranked highest globally in AI readiness and innovation? Yes, so this is Bangalore. Last question for today. According to UN CITAD report, Global Trade Update, Mobilizing Trade to Curb Plastic Pollution, what was total global trade in plastics in 2023? Okay, so everyone is saying 1.1 trillion rupees. Sorry, 1.1 trillion dollars. Yes, 1.1 trillion dollars. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो ये था आपका आज का टॉप 80 का सेशन. आई होप यू एंजॉयड एवरीवन एंड आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट. बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस थे आज, प्योर डेटाबेस क्वेश्चंस थे, बट काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों ने सही आंसर किए. सो कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग, दैट्स रियली प्रेज वर्दी. यू मस्ट अपलॉड फॉर योर सेल्फ. Okay then, have a very good day. See you in the next class on Monday then. Thank you so much for staying tuned.